What is going on, guys? So today I have for you an update on the trailer here, as well as some new wheeling with the Jeep. After that, we're going to finish off with a status update on the tracks and when those are going to be for sale. So stay tuned, check this out. You know, it'll be a short video but with some decent content, you know, showing this thing, going over some stuff that the wheels probably couldn't handle. So thanks for coming by, enjoy. Alrighty guys, so check this out. I've made some changes to this trailer you see here, and now if we take a look at our transmitter and just flick this little aux switch, we have an automatic like dovetail style drop in, you know, for the Jeep. So I think that's super cool. Let me run over how that works for you, and then we'll take it outside with the Jeep, give it a little rip, show you what's going on there. So first things first, we'll start with the truck side. On the truck, in the bed of it now behind the hitch, you can see there's a little servo connection there. So all that is that's an extension, a servo extension that I wired from the auxiliary channel on the receiver there to the back of the bed. I also wired the lights into the same power source, so everything's tucked away nice and neatly. Works out really well. And then now, trailer, you have extension lead, your lead from the servo, and then you have the servo with a little shaft here. Then when that servo actuates, it moves this up and down. So I think it works really well. I think it's a lot better than those ramps I showed you in the last video where I'm constantly sticking my hands out there to, you know, raise and lower them. It's just another fun little scale part of this project. There we go. Pop the hitch on. And now we can drive and drop our ramps whenever needed. So stay tuned, let's get outside and then we'll go over updates on the tracks, which I know all you guys are asking for, all you guys are excited for, so stay tuned. And check it out, guys, we have parts for the tracks for sale getting ready here. I've been running my printer non-stop to get these things rolling for you guys, so soon enough you'll see some up on the store. I will post a video. I know you're probably getting impatient, but just bear with me a while longer. We'll get those up for you. Alrighty guys, so you saw me take this thing outside, test out the new dovetail style. It works great, I love it. Had a lot of fun with that. Again, you can see that the Jeep on the tracks really handles the bigger terrain, the bigger gaps a lot better. One more thing I'd like to mention that I didn't yet so far in the video. If you do happen to have, let's say, 2 Jeeps on this trailer or 2 trucks, this little rear servo dovetail design is strong enough to lift it right up off the ground. So that's a really cool part of it. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Again, thanks for coming by. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the content. I know a lot of you are looking forward to these coming out for sale, and we are getting real close, guys. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe if you want to keep up with my projects. I got some more planned, but first I want to make sure I can get enough of these tracks out to you guys. So stick around. Stay tuned for some more updates on that. Thanks again.